Hi guys, welcome to Saudi foodie vlog. Today we are making yummy Indian style pasta with mutton. Yummy in taste, easy to make. In a pressure cooker, oil 2 tablespoons, whole spices, chopped onion 1 cup. Saute for 2 minutes on medium heat. Now add green chilies too. Saute for 2 minutes. Now add ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons. Again saute for 2 minutes until raw smell gone. Now add mutton half kg with bones. Chopped tomato 1 cup. Mix everything. Salt as per taste. Turmeric half tablespoon. Red chili powder 2 tablespoons. Coriander powder 1 tablespoon. Mix everything. Water 2 cups. Pressure cook for 3 whistles. Now for pasta, rice flour 1 cup, oil 1 tablespoon, hot water, salt as per taste. Mix everything. Make fine dough. Dough is ready. Now make any shapes. Mutton curry is ready. Coconut masala 2 tablespoons. Now add handmade pasta. Cook for 10 minutes on medium heat. Now it's ready to serve. On top coriander. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.